Hi, I'm Ella Graham, and I'm putting vinegar, flour, raisins, baking soda, and sugar in a bowl to see what happens. Okay. If I can get this open. Oh, vinegar. Vinegar. Maybe that much vinegar. Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay. Maybe just a little hint more vinegar. There. Some vinegar in. I'm going to put some flour in next. I'm going to mix these two first. Oops. That's what I'm experiencing about Missy. Okay, it's just looking like dough now. It's starting to look like dough. So saan ko bisa santa ko spidol. Now I will insert some raisins. Now we'll put some sugar in. Now I'm gonna mix it again. See what happens. Now for the exciting part. Now I'm putting some baking soda in. Now we're gonna see what happens. Baking soda in there and mix it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Want taste? Now I want to see what happens if I put a little more vinegar in. It starts growing and bubbling. And then if I put a little more baking soda in. And then if I put a little more vinegar in again. There. Now it's going. Now we really got it going. And let's see what happens when I put just a hint more sugar. Oops, that wasn't a hint. No. No more. No more. No more. No more. Huh. Now, here is the funny part. When I put one little hint more of everything, then mix. Then we'll see what the end of the experiment is. Mix that in there. See what happens. Nothing yet. Just now a tiny bit. Like maybe that much sugar. Give to my assistant. Just a wee teensy bit of more vinegar. Now we have some more vinegar. And now some more baking soda. Now you see, now it's starting to go. And now I will put 1 centimeter more. And now, here is a final piece of it. The final piece. Let's see what happens when I put 1 teensy weensy more drop. There. It looks like that wasn't a teensy. Okay, there. Now, we're done. Cut. Okay, ano mo nada? Whoa. Meron ba easy?